Here are our Cochin. This one right here is Dolly. And she's a partridge, so we call her Dolly Partridge. I know, we're so silly. And we have two white ones. This one right here is Matilda Cochin. Look at all they're very large birds. And over here, eating my peppers. They love the seed. This is Snow White. She's all the frilly things on her. If I can find her, there she is. This is Bella. She's black. She's a beauty. Oh, I can make you sick here. She's a beauty. She's all black. Yep. In the dark over here is, okay, you're going to sing and say, this is Shirley Partridge. Yes, I know, talk to me. And this is Gretchen. Gretchen, yeah. There are Cochin chickens, our pets. Yeah, talk to me. Yeah? So what, do you think I have something? Yeah, I know. Anything else you want to tell the folks? No? Okay. Yep. There are love bugs. We let our chickens out in the evening and we come out and sit. This is our garden. This is the entrance. This is a very large wisteria. It's a different kind of wisteria than most people. It's a very dark purple. And our boardwalk that all of this, when it rains, is underwater, so the boardwalk is much appreciated so we can get into our garden. So this is the entrance, and it just goes over here. I'm panning actually to the south. We have a pear tree that doesn't produce anything. We have a very large arbor with, in here in the middle you'll see is rose bushes. And then this is the corner of our garden. The back corner is actually facing, I'm facing west, so this is the east side of the garden. Yeah, I know. This is Ed's latest projects for our purple martins. He's going to finish all that up. It's very cool. And it has enough for, I don't know, he's going to show you. This is unfinished. See if I can back up here a little bit. Yeah. I can't it's just high enough that I don't think I can reach it. I'm kind of short here. Let me see. No, I can't. But anyway, it has enough for 6 on this side, 3 on 3 on each side, and got another 6 on the other side. Okay, let me kind of show you the rest of the garden. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just go this way. We have several entrances. We have a greenhouse we built. You can see it. It's a portable convertible one, and the PVC pipes go all across, and then we pull them and we put our plastic that lets in light. And there's some more. And these are all raised beds, about 30 inches. And we have, of course, boardwalk all around. We have pots of roses around. Yeah, this is beautiful. October. Most of our garden is gone now because it's at the end of the season. And we put, this year we had over here, you can see this structure here is, we put beans up, green beans, different kinds of green beans. And over here, these are boxes made from pallets. And we have 2 blueberry bushes in each one. And that draped over there is a future box that we are going to put dirt in. Here's another. These are 12 feet raised beds. And then here we still have peppers growing in the greenhouse. And yeah, huge peppers. At this time of year, that's pretty much what you have. Except we do have some more buttercup squash in here. This is our buttercup squash, what's left of it. But I just came out and I saw this afternoon that, look, we got some little ones coming on. I don't know if they're going to make it, but we got quite a few of like 4 or 5 actually. If they make it through the frost, we'll see. Here's another pot here of roses. As we're coming down here, this is the end of our carrots. Yeah. Everything's okay. We're coming up now to our chicken coop. Pollo Palace, as some people call it. Because, well, Ed, he doesn't do anything halfway. Okay, so here is the side of it. We have a nesting box. I'm backing up here. You can see it's very tall. It's a condominium for sure. Anyway, so I'm coming around to say, okay, we got a gazebo over here. And then, yes, Bella, you want to come talk to us? Huh? Yes, I'm going to show the folks where you live. Yeah. We're going to miss you when you're gone. So up here is tall. And I've got some stills. And then down here is the second box. Everything we can slide in and out. It's all predator proof. Yeah, and underneath this, their actual coop is storage. And we have the straw and stuff like that there. And then here is a people entrance. And isn't that cute with all the, yeah. This year, because we had the hurricane come through, we put up a temporary thing so the water wouldn't get in. We have sand because this is the far end of the property, which is the lowest end, and all the water runs this direction. So, and this is my compost area. This is the reason why I said, okay, let's have chickens, because I'm allergic to eggs. So we got big chickens, so they're in here. This is our compost. We take in our scraps and they eat it, they dig it in, and this is an 8 by 30 area that is all hawk proof, owl proof, because we have a aviary netting. You can sort of see it above there. And we have a little shelter over there for them to get in out of the rain or the sun. And these little baskets is where we also put in hay and more compost. And we just dump them over, and then, oh yeah, you can see a little bit. We have, that's where he puts the leaves, and then they go through the leaves and they decompose the leaves. And then this is the end of the run. The run is 7 feet wide by 40 feet long. They have plenty of room to run. They're not cooped up in small little areas at all. And I'll take you inside, show you what that looks like. Okay, this is where you walk in. There's a bench. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick that up. So as you can see, the length of the coop, and there's a little perch up there. And Bella thinks every time I come in here, I've got a treat for her. I know. But we don't have any more oatmeal. They love oatmeal. But now that it's turning colder, we're going to turn it to cracked non-GMO corn. Yes, I know. Talk to me, honey. Okay, so then in here, Ed cleans this every day. We're going to be gone a week. Oh, dear. Anyway, we also have a cage over here. This is the timeout cage when the girls go broody, because they just sit. And this is to break broody, and so they have it cool underneath as well on top until they break broody. This is they're going up to where they sleep at night, and it's so cute. Ed's done such a neat job here, and he just came in here and replaced all the hay and the sand underneath. And this is one waterer, and this is their, see, I need to get to put more food in their trays here, which I will do. And here is where they spend the night. They refuse to go in the coop. And the coop. It's just, anyway, we have an automatic door, but inside there is the coop. And in the winter, when it's cold, we push them in the coop and make them a little heat. When it's been like 20 below, I mean not 20 below, but 20 degrees is cool. And so, anyway, this is their coop, and where they spend the night. And this is where we store their food. Gets dusty in here. Yeah, I know. You think I've got something, don't you? I know. Well, and we're going to be gone a week. Yeah, you guys are going to have to behave yourself. Yes, you are. I know. Talk to me. Bella. Yes, I know. Life is tough. Yeah. Okay, well, that's it. And there on the left you'll see a bin that we keep dirt in and diatomaceous earth so they can take dust baths, because that keeps all the bugs off of them and stuff. So anyway, that's the coop. And outside out there is as you can see, is the compost area. And then over here we have more sand because we replaced the sand in the run. And we keep it clean. We keep it, nobody can smell it. They're really surprised that we have chickens back here, but you know, we're very fastidious about cleanliness with them. Okay, that's it for this.